Oh, everyone. Oh my. Oh. Oh, it crashed big time. Oh my.
Alright, people, I hope that thing's alright.
Here we go. It's gonna go up again.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Okay. You put them the way you.
It's up on the ceiling, everyone. Doing a turnaround. This is what our veteran helicopters are like. Bryce doesn't know how.
Scrape on it. It scrapes that thing so much.
I know.
I let Kirby go up, put it back down, and then.
It stays up pretty well too.
Here it goes. And then go up and back down, and then, oh, here it goes. A lot of power to go up.
That's a good one.
And it's going back up. Oh, wall,
Don't let it crash.
I control only has one button. You can hold up there
This
now.
is a good one. That's a great video.
It's up there now, man.
It is. It's awesome.
Goes up, then pulls up.
You're really controlling it well too.
Oh, it hits everything when it goes.
I know.
Oh, wall. By the wall. By the wall.
Ooh.
Uh-oh. Wall. You know what that means?
Mm-hmm. Now you got it going. Uh-oh. It's in the kitchen.
Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, no.
It's in my kitchen.
That's funny.
That's neat. I know, it's almost to the, uh-oh.